A warm welcome to Shurveer sir. Actually, I heard for him when I was actually in Europe, but I could not get in touch with him due to some reasons. Dolly ji told me that there will be a chance where you will definitely gonna meet with Shurveer sir. Sir, we know your positivity, your attitude towards students, and how you motivate the female students, and you know how you motivate them to do something. We know it. Your many of your students are entrepreneur now. Thank you so much for being with us, and I'm extending a warm welcome to you. Professor Dhruti ma'am, what I can say about you, she is a epitome of knowledge, and also many of the female students have been, addressed through her. She has guided many female students and motivated them to do something in their life. So मैम आपके लिए कुछ कहना मतलब सूरज को दिया दिखाने समान होगा इस मंच पर। तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, हम खुश नसीब हैं कि आप यहाँ हैं हमारे साथ। विजय लक्ष्मी मैम के लिए मैं इसलिए कुछ लाइन थोड़ा बाद में बोलना चाहूँगी, बिकॉज आई नो आई हैव मेनी थिंग्स टू टेल अबाउट हर एंड शी टोल्ड मी टू रिड्यूस इट बट आई कांट। शैलेंद्र सर, एक्चुअली आपका भी बहुत बहुत आभार और आपका वेलकम यहाँ पे। हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं कि आपने बालिका शिक्षा समिति के थ्रू बहुत बालिकाओं को एक सही ज्ञान देकर, सही नॉलेज देकर, सही दिशा दिखा के आगे उनके फ्यूचर के लिए आपने उनको फैसिलिटेट किया सर। टॉप ऑफ एवरीथिंग, मैनी थैंक्स। आप ये जो लाइफ अचीवमेंट अवार्ड मैडम के लिए था, रियली आपने यू स्टील द चांस बेसिकली, बिकॉज नॉलेज हब ग्लोबल, it which is a very renowned company and also a multinational company, we were thinking, but you steal the chance. So definitely better luck next time sir, we'll be waiting. Now I come to welcome Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, not just a mother figure ma'am, पर appreciation starts from the home, which I learned, because when you seek the appreciation outside of your home, that means you are seeking the attention. But when you are appreciated at your home, you are fully motivated to do something out of the box, because you don't need anybody's attention. I know you yourself is epitome of knowledge, beauty, wisdom, and definitely you are having the ample opportunity for other women so that they can move forward in their life. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am is the one, she told me to stay in this conference basically, and to be because of her unwavering support, all these students, because even I noticed all these speakers, their first line is not about women well-being, it's about a woman who is behind their well-being. Thank you so much Vijay Lakshmi ma'am for being a part of this very dynamic conference. Thanks everyone, and warm welcome into this platform. Thank you so much.